People, they can't wait. So listen, they're gonna be the one.
At the bamboo rafting.
Where you guys from?
Ohio. I'm from.
He was looking at us.
Okay.
I'm like, what's going on?
All right, y'all ready? Fuck my baby dad.
What?
Welcome to Kingston every day. It's a summer every night, feel like a Friday. Rap the bike till I'm saving.
Alright, subscribe to Goodvibes Ja YouTube channel.
No, Goodvibes J.A.
Goodvibes J.A. Okay, I got it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Subscribe to Goodvibes J.A. YouTube channel.
Subscribe to Goodvibes YouTube channel.
Yeah, man. Say it again. Where you guys from?
Ohio. I'm from Dayton, Big 937 shit. Columbus, Ohio.
And I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, man.
That's why you're the tour guide.
The best place on earth, right?
Yes, sir. The best food, the best drinks, the best everything.
Oh shit. That's good. All of that. They hear that Jamaica, they love you.
We love Jamaica.
And also good vibes.
Good vibes. We love you.
I like that. Yeah, man.
What's cute?
Yeah, it's recording now.
Okay, it's recording. Oh yeah, you can't edit these. Oh, sorry. My bad.
He was looking at us.
Okay.
I'm like, what's going on?
Alright, y'all ready?
Alright, subscribe to Goodvibes Ja YouTube channel.
No, Goodvibes J.A.
Goodvibes J.A. Okay, I got it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Subscribe to Goodvibes J.A. YouTube channel.
Bumbleclad. Did you say Bumbleclad? Yeah.
Oh my
That is it. Active. Wagwan chat. You don't know we're there in Jamaica. We're doing another vlog today. You know what I mean, guys? We have 3 beautiful ladies, and we're gonna be doing river rafting. Oh, it's our birthday.
It's my birthday.
People, they can't wait. So listen, they're gonna be the one that's gonna vlog today then. So yeah, man, so they're gonna probably introduce themselves one by one. That's it. But remember to like this video, subscribe.
Yes.
Remember to share. So who's going first?
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
All right, hello everybody. Okay.
Do your thing, girl. Do your thing.
My name is Mimi. My Instagram is MIMIIBABYY. It's my motherfucking 25th birthday, and you better come book with the fucking best for all your excursions.
Okay. It's sensational. Y'all know what the fuck is up. Instagram name is XL period. The whole word sensational, cause you know we keep shit sensational around this bitch. Anyway, we in Jamaica. We turned as fuck. We bad as fuck. And if you know what the fuck is up, you'll book with Goodvibes J.A. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. My name is Monet. Instagram name MON2EST_. We love it here in Jamaica. We love Jamaica. Look with the best. Ja, good vibes. Good vibes.
My turn. I just want to say I appreciate and I love you guys.
We always love you. Appreciate you.
Okay, guys, that's a moment, okay? But big up everyone, you know what I mean? I love it. I love the support, and you don't know the thing. On vibes and a good vibes.
No, you've been a great tour guide. Like, literally, I love it.
Oh my God.
You guys are about to see our vlog all day because we're going everywhere today.
Yes, okay.
At the club and everything.
Don't say that. I'm very emotional.
You're very emotional.
Oh my God.
No, this is such a good tour. Like, I feel like for the price we paid for everything included, like the transportation there, the transportation back, you kick it with us. That's great.
Yeah, that's great. We're gonna turn the fuck up tonight, right?
Yeah! day too. That is our
Yeah.
last day.
So you guys coming back though, right?
Yeah, sure. I'm coming back in August.
Oh shit.
Yep. We'll be back.
Definitely. See, guys, people love Jamaica. Jamaica is the best place on earth.
No,
I
it
say
literally
that.
is. We've been to, this is our 4th country, and I think this is my favorite. So
It's gonna always be a
favorite too.
place.
It's the best
gonna always-
vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So listen.
Everybody's really nice.
So listen, chat. We're gonna update you later. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, man.
Oh, this is so pretty.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Oh my god. House. What? Oh, look at that one up there. That looks so nice.
Hey, hey.
My nigga fucked up. Fuck my baby dad.
What? Yeah, like probably like yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah,
It's like, yeah.
It's good. But what I'm saying though, like, it's beautiful.
It is. It is very beautiful.
I want the people they're active. They're ready to be a good time.
Hellcats, SRT.
Goodvibes tour, the best tour. Remember, book now. We're out here. Watch your step. People will make us stop again, but they see cows.
Oh, we love cows. We're from the Midwest. We love cows.
We all love cows.
Moo babies.
Moo moo. Moo moo. You want to come closer? You can.
We can come to here. We can go this way.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful ladies. They're so pretty. They look so like their colors are so nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Do they have names?
Go one, go two, go three. Pretty girl. Pretty girl.
Which one's the boy?
Well, she'll lead the way.
Yes.
Yes, man. She's creeping. She's creeping.
There's a lot of stuff here.
You gotta be careful. You're right. Yeah, man, someday you can walk around that side. People see in a bush. Real Jamaica girl. Bad girl. Bad girl, bad girl, bad girl. Bad dolly them. The dolly body. What about my cloth?
They walk down.
Oh, they walk.
I see them.
I can see him though.
Are we allowed to go over there or no?
Yeah, but you gotta walk back on the road.
It's still nice though.
Yeah, man. People there at you. Go close, go close.
You know, they're like puppies.
That's the closest I get to it, right?
Yelling shit about my eyelashes.
Oh, yeah, I can tell that's a male.
Oh yeah.
Let's let go of eyelash.
Y'all been talking about my balls.
Yeah, let me get out of here.
So cool. That wasn't cool.
I don't think I've been that close to a cow before.
I mean,
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's what
First time.
That's what happened on the Goodvibes tour.
Yes, yeah. That's what you get.
A lot of surprise. Yeah, man. Be
so cool. Yep, this was great, guys.
Not even good. It's great. Even better.
Yeah.
Even better than good.
Yeah, man.
They raise meat cows and dairy cows. Look at the butterfly. Oh, hi, doggy.
Hi, doggy.
I'm a dog. I like dogs.
Not the cows.
The cows.
You look like my
He looks scared.
Too many strangers. Too many strangers.
He looks just like my dog.
No. Can't take people up, dog. The dog a follow. Oh, the dog like you guys.
His collar matches my dress.
Oh.
Baby boy.
People, we're having a good time, you see me? And that's what happened at the Good Vibes store. Remember, #1, book with us now. What was that, guys?
That was great.
That was amazing.
That was so cute.
In the
nature, I'm in one with the
Yes, the nature was so pretty. The trees and stuff, all of the houses that they're building over there are so beautiful. It's like you can just see all the culture, all the just beautiful nature. It's just great.
I love it here.
Me too.
That was a big ass. Different kind.
We look on the left hand side, that's where
Oh my goodness! Yay! So beautiful. Can I take a picture?
I know.
Someone send it to me.
I'm weak.
Somebody send it. That's cute. I love it. I love it. I love
Oh, it looks so fun.
Yes.
People, reach at the raft. Wagwan boss. Who's running the camera today? You?
Oh yes, of course.
Yes, man. Happy birthday. You're vlogging now, so you have to talk.
You said what?
You're vlogging, you gotta talk.
I'm vlogging, right? Okay, so right now we're going to bamboo rafting, and I'm so excited.
This is our second excursion. We went on the party boat with Jai yesterday, which I'm pretty sure y'all will see a little earlier in the video.
Yes, you will see that we were torn up. We were torn up,
Very
but it was a
torn
great
down.
time.
Cancel not life fun by this.
Oh yeah. And we're gonna go out to the club tonight, y'all. So stay tuned for that. Hi.
Good girl.
Thank you. I love Jamaica. Oh, look, they got souvenirs. Honestly, I don't even know why you're still scrolling looking for people to book with. You've already got your answer. Hi.
Bathroom before? Anybody need the bathroom?
No, I'm good.
You wanna go try?
No, I'm good.
I'm okay.
People, she's a good host.
I'm good.
We all good?
Yes. Let's get on this ride.
On this ride.
Yeah, man.
So excited.
Hookah. I pray. Yeah, man, in there. I'm beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. You want to see what I'm seeing? Look. That's what I'm seeing. Look at them sing to again, my beautiful guests. Big them up, mad king. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's why I didn't understand. I mean, it's not.
So cute. Perfect. Sparkly just like me. That's literally so cute. Birthday girl!
Ready for this? My name is Andre, okay? Who you riding with? No. I assure you, somebody gonna go solo. We're gonna be beside each other going down, but somebody gonna go right.
This is so cute.
Happy birthday! You hear that people say happy birthday right now because of good vibes.
Hold up now. Am I allowed to stand up? Yeah. Hey!
I'm gonna ride one bro.
Good vibes, hey.
No ass moving.
Are you scared of the goat?
Scared of the goat. There's a baby goat. I speak goat because I am the
You
goat.
scared that one, but you didn't scare this one.
Not that goat.
I'm the goat. People said them just forward back from the river rafting, you see me?
Hold on, it's moving slow, but it's coming. Hold on.
Happy birthday! Yeah, active. Big up. Remember, book your tour. Goodvibes. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Huh? Yeah. Chop it right. Yeah. If you don't know anything, go by the end of the day, survival. Big up.
Right here.
That's your dog?
That's my baby girl.
Okay, big up.
Pretty girl. She's only like 15 pounds. Let me see. Over here. Let me show you.
So guys, how was the rafting though, guys?
It was cool. It was so fun. 10 out of 10. They give you a great recommend. 10 out of 10 recommend.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Only if Goodvibes JA brings you.
No, that part, no.
That's facts.
That's facts.
No
Big up. Bad girl.
Real bad girl.
Real bad.
Okay. Yeah, man.
I love it here. Oh my
That's
God.
what I always say. By the end of the day, it's survival, people. Big up. So tonight, nightlife, right?
Yes. Hell yeah.
We have a ton of talk.
I'm ready to drop.
We was supposed to go out last night. We fucked around and fell asleep.
Yeah. We still go. They ain't doing that no more. Tonight is the night.
Last night.
Last night.
Big up.
Do it right.
Big up.
People here. Come on. This is nice. This is more like the local scene. Yeah, man.
Okay, do this pose again. But like, I was talking about, I guess, I booked another vacation in July.
Okay, cover girl.
Right.
Okay, cover girl.
But I
What
did
thing?
book another vacation. This is so beautiful.
Yeah, man. You know?
Like you said, I didn't even get to see it. Look at the crab. It's Mr. Crab.
Mr. Crab. Shit.
It's a crab.
What, Mr. Crab?
Look at him.
Oh, Mr. Crab?
Yes. Where's the money?
Where's the money?
He's going back to the bikini bottom. He was eating till we started yelling. Sorry.
Yeah, we scared every animal we see. Say too.
We're drunk. We can't help it.
That's what this is so beautiful.
It was a good day. Very lot of fun. How was it, guys?
Amazing.
See what I said?
You sound like some badass kid.
Oh shit.
Hard as fuck.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Put that blame on me.
No, that was a blast. For real. We had so much fun.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Times Club.
What time is the
Birthday
club?
girl. It's a birthday. Oh my god, cut. Okay.
Times the club.
About 10:30, 11, okay?
30.
Okay.
Yeah. But before we go, you're gonna tell the people, you guys gonna tell the people what you enjoy about the tour. How was it?
I enjoyed the massage. I enjoyed the
shit.
rum punch.
10 out of 10.
Oh wait, you talking about from the bamboo bath or
No,
you?
good vibes. Yeah, good vibes.
Good vibes. Okay. Everything, the customer service, he offers
Yeah.
transportation there and back, which is very convenient. You don't have to pay a cab. And then you're comfortable with him too. So y'all good the whole time. The music's great. What else? The vibes is great. He know everybody.
He smokes with us.
Smokes with us.
Maurice just gives the good vibes.
He just gives the good vibes.
Too much.
For real.
Cut.
Pretty much.